Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate 20 to 100 plus pips trading BoomCrash Indices, no more stop loss hitting. No much discretion here, but the video is going to be fully and practically explained in the MT5 trading chart. I will start with the Crash 1000 index. Okay, you make sure that the time frame is daily and the zoom level of the chart is the highest zoom level. Then you are going to draw a table on your trading journal. You are going to draw a table. Maybe you can use a book or you can use a software like Excel or document, and then you put time T, and then in minutes, time in minutes, and you put down price. Okay, so after every 60 minutes you should be doing this 30 minutes. We are going to do 30 minutes in that. After every 30 minutes you record the current price on the daily candle. Like now the price is 62.38. okay, you record it. Okay, now after next 30 minutes, that is the 60th time. Okay, you record the price. Okay, after the 90th minutes, that is the interval should be 30 minutes. You record the price. Let's call it P60. We don't know it yet, and this is P 90. That is where patient pay. Okay, it's actually improving your patience. Okay, then we have 120. We'll have P 120. Like how many times here? We have at least 4 data points for we to confirm what price is doing. Now with this point you can plot the graph of this price with this time. Maybe you can use Matlab to do that, or you can do it manually with your hand. You can draw the graph, or you can just shake the relationship between one price and the other, like whether the price is whether the price is occurring in ascending order or descending order. If it is occurring in descending order, like the price keep reducing, like the price keep decreasing, P30 is less, let's assume P60 is less than P30, and P90 is less than P60, and P120 is less than P90. That shows you that this market is downtrend. Okay, it's downtrend. Now what you are going to do is you go to the 15 minutes time frame and look for break of structure. Wait for a retest to that break of structure. Then consider if there is order block. Also you have to consider order block and break of structure. Take for instance, this is a break of structure here, and then we have an order block. The order block will be the last opposite candle, because this is the structure broken is down to a downtrend, like during a downtrend, like the market, the price is taking lower values. Okay, so you will be calling, you'll be looking for a bearish order block. So you look for a bullish candle, the last bullish candle that make this level, this structural level, to be broken. So this is the candle. Then you wait for price to come and play inside here. The best way to enter is if there is change of character. Once as price is approaching to a path into this order block, once you notice some form of candlestick formation and a kind of change of character, like you see, liquidity can be created around order block. So try to look for those liquidity, okay, so that you know where you are going to place your stop loss. So you can you notice that the price reject this area and then come back and test it and then push higher again, so, and then drop. So this is a double top. This is a kind of double top with a weak rejection. And then this candle, you see this candle, this candle ended up with bullish, bearish engulfing. This is bearish engulfing candle. It engulfed this one. So you can place your stop loss above here, and then you take the sell. Okay, you can see the market sold for the first half, okay, sold for the first half, and again come back and retest the order block, and then sold massively again, getting lower lows. Okay, so that is how this will work. So let's consider a situation where the new prices, like if you take the data, the statistics, time, and then price, and then the prices are taking higher values. Take for instance, we have first 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 120. We need at least four data points to confirm. So we now take on put their values. Okay, so if we have P30, then we have P60, we have P90, and then we have P120. Okay, if this is in ascending order, like is increasing, P30 is greater than P60, P60 is greater than P30, P90 is greater than P60, P120 is greater than P90. That is uptrend. You will now go to 15 minutes time frame. You go to 15 minutes time frame, look for break of structure. Look for break where market there is a bullish break of structure like this one. There is a bullish break of structure here. Okay, look for it, draw it with your line. A structure should be the highest wick taken out, with a shape like structural shape, like structural shadow shape, like patterns M, W, N, V, inverted V, U shape, all of that. And then a wick, the highest wick is needed so that we can pass the horizontal line to it. You notice that this is a kind of N pattern that has a wick around here, and then the highest wick, then it is broken. So this is a structure we are talking about. Now, what is the order block? You look for the order block here. Okay, what is the last candle that lead to break of this structure? What is the last candle, the last opposite candle that lead to break of this structure? This is a bullish order block. We are looking for a bearish candle, the last bearish candle that lead to break of this structure. There is no bearish candle that lead to break of this structure. So what you will do is you look for any candle at all prior to the breaking. So this is the candle. Now for a trade to be valid, for a signal to be valid, there should be change of character, there should be change of trend. So you have to monitor, like there should be break of structure, change of character, change of trend. All of them constitute change of trend. Change of character, change of break of structures, they constitute that trend is about to change. Okay, now as price is coming inside this area, try to monitor how it is coming. When it comes, look at the candles that are forming. You see we have this candle. There is no liquidity below here anyway, because most time liquidity it's not always that liquidity will happen. Market is imperfect, don't expect it to be perfect all the time. So look at what happened. This candle get rejected from this zone, then we have a bullish engulfing candle closing above this one, like it engulfed the body. Okay, then the next candle close above it, above the previous candle. Okay, and then we notice that this area was broken. Price take out this area. Now when you see something like this, since you know that this is the price action is increasing function of time, what you need to do is you can enter here after seeing that this is serious. You can even enter here after breaking, after it closes above this other block, like this candle that enters in the other block. Okay, so you can see that this bearish candle itself become an other block itself, another other block, okay, that can create a buy price action. Okay, so this candle closing above this one, this bearish one, shows indifference, it shows imbalance. Okay, I'm sorry, not indifference, imbalance, it shows imbalance. Okay, so we buy here, put stop loss far below the other block. You can look for a low that is necessary, look for a low like this one. We are placing your stop loss where price can react to it. So I think risking 35 to 40 pips on a crash market is good, especially if you are trying to follow direction, if you are trying to buy crash, or like say boom, like if you are trading direction, you have to use enough stop loss limit. Like from, if you are trading crash, I think 35 to 40 will be cool. If you are trading boom 1050 to 55 will be cool. And then if you are trading crash 300 100 to 120 will be cool. The aim is to make profit and not to hit your stop loss. Okay, but if you want sniper entry, then enroll for my boom and crash millionaire course. Like there you see a lot of top secret of actually becoming a millionaire trading only boom and crash asset. So right here you see we cash, like we got a lot of profit here. Even if we enter somewhere here, anywhere we enter, we are cashing almost over 60 pips, and it keep pushing because it's an increasing function of time. I think we need to go to H4 to see how powerful the profit was, like the nature of the profit. You notice somewhere here the profit keep pushing. We got over 150 pips. Okay, so I'll be ending this video. Today we mark, maybe this month is almost today started April. I think, I don't know if we have 31st April, or I don't know, whatever it is. We are about to enter next month, May. You have to enroll for our VIP boom and crash group, where we actually send fees signal that never lose on boom and crash. Like the signal can never lose, like you can't see a loss. WINFX Trading is playing the reef clean sheet. Like if we trade, like if we have trade trading session, if we have trade signal in a day on boom and crash, it will be 3 is to not 0 is to not, like it will be 3 not. Like we can never lose. Okay, the same thing applies to other signal group and channels. We have signal channel for synthetic and forex space, and then we have signal group for VIP signal group for binary option, where we take $1 to $11,000 plus, and you know, in 14 days, and $1 to $6,000 plus in 5 days. I think you have to make decision, take action, make decision. Don't allow somebody to motivate you. Motivate yourself. Okay, borrow money and get what you want. We are dedicated. We are forex girls. We are dedicated. You may think you can do it yourself, but you are not dedicated. Like most time you sleep, the signal will happen. You come and trade the wrong one, you blow your account. Most time you be on a flight, you are tired, your hand is paining you to even press phone. All you need to do is to copy and paste our trade our signals in real time and make massive profits. The token you pay to become a member, to become subscribed, VIP subscriber, to become verified, is nothing compared to the everlasting money you are going to bank, like you are going to accumulate. Okay, thank you, bye for now.